Hello students, in today's video you are going to learn how to add background image in your web page. So let's learn about this. Let's begin with this. First of all, we will create a HTML code for creating a web page. We all know the basic tags like HTML to start the web page. Head tag will give the headings of the web page, where we will provide the title for the web page as adding image background, and we have to close this. Then we will close head tag also, and this way we will write all the basic tags to initialize the title part of the web page. And then we will start with body tag, and inside the body tag you will add an attribute background to give the information about the background image you are going to add as your background image. So let's do this. I have an image on my desktop, so we will copy down the location, and the file name means all the information about that image file. For that you have to right click on that file, and when the pop-up menu will appear, you will see properties at the bottom. Click on this properties and it will show you all the information about the file, and you will copy down the location from here and paste it in the HTML code inside the codes. Then add one more backslash and take the file name from here, copy it and paste it on the code. Then you have to add the extension also, that is .jpg. So once you have done all this, close the double quotes and close the bracket, and then we will close the body tag and HTML tag also. So then the turn comes for the saving the file, and before we save it, we just close this window. Now when we save it, you all remember that we have to give the name and .htm or .html as an extension. So I am also saving it on my desktop with the name background and .htm as the extension. So you can see it has come on the desktop. We will double click on this to open the file in the browser. So we can see here the background image has been added, but it has a multiple repetition of the image. So it is filling up all the entire web page with the same image. If you want it not to be repeated all along the web page, maybe you want it as a single row or as a single vertical column, we can style it with the style attribute to this. So in the style you will set the background repeat, means you can control the repetition of the image. So background dash repeat, and we want to repeat it at the x-axis, that is the column wise. So you will write background repeat x. Now let's see the result. Now see, it is repeating the image only in the x-axis, that is the width wise. If you want to control it another way, like you want to fill up the screen or the image in the y-axis, then you can do it repeat y and see the effect. The image is being repeated along the y-axis. So this way you can control the repetition of image on the wallpaper or background image. If you want not to be repeated it anymore, so no repeat can be set. So there will be a single image like this. Now since this image is a very small image, you want the same image a single time, it should fill up the entire web page. That way you can decide, or you can control the background size. We want it to be 100% of the width and 100% of the height. So this way you can set background image of your web page width wise, height wise, or a single image spread it throughout the web page. Thank you children.